Hi friends, today we will discuss about atherosclerosis. First, we will suppose a diagram that is an artery. In an artery, this is the inner layer, this is the middle layer, and this is the outer layer. The inner layer is called as tunica intima, which is made up of endothelial cells. This is the tunica media. This is made up of the collagen and smooth muscles. And this is the tunica adventitia. The middle one is the lumen, through which the blood passes. For more precise view, we will draw another diagram. Suppose this is the lumen through which the blood passes, and this is the layer of endothelial cells, which is the tunica intima layer. Tunica intima layer. Okay. And this is the subendothelial space. Subendothelial space, because it is below the endothelium. And now this is the middle layer, tunica media. This is the middle layer, that is the tunica media, made up of smooth muscles. Now what happens when a person eats lots of polyunsaturated diet or the fat substances? The liver makes it lots of low density lipoprotein, that is the LDL. When the amount of low density lipoproteins enters in the blood, it goes from there and it comes to here and stick to the surface of endothelial cells. High density lipoproteins can go easily, but the low density lipoproteins stick to the surface of endothelial cells. Now what happens? The LDL, the low density lipoproteins, enters the subendothelial space through the gaps between the endothelium, that is the tunica intima. So it enters through this here. Now the amount of low density lipoproteins increases in the subendothelial space and it gets oxidized. After the oxidization, the immune system consider this as a foreign material. when the low density lipoprotein is oxidized, it detected by as a foreign material by the immune system. So it is the foreign materials. Now further, what happens when the blood cells, mainly WBCs, monocytes, passes through the lumen, consider these as the monocytes. It squeezes to the gaps between the endothelium, the process known as diapedesis. The process known as the diapedesis. Now what happens? Why this process happens? Because it has to phagocyte this foreign material. Now for more understanding, we will draw another diagram over here only. When the monocyte enters here, it phagocytes the low density lipoproteins and becomes foam cells, which is the foreign material. So this is the foreign material which we called it as foam cells. Now, for the more understanding, we will draw the another diagram. This is the intima, which is the subendothelial, which is the endothelial cells. This is the foam cells, and this is the tunica media. This is the foam cells which are digested by the macrophages. And this is the endothelial cells. Now what happens? By the time the foam cells comes out through the gaps between the endothelium and enters the lumen. Now the foam cells start entering into the lumen, and as the blood passes through this, the platelets which are going through the blood start to aggregate over the foam cells. Now we will call as foam cells as atheroma. Here the platelet aggregation occurs and ulceration of the foam cells takes place. Now for more understanding, let us consider this as a normal artery. This is the layer which has been going through, which has been occurred by all the atherosclerosis process, and these are the tissues. So the blood passes through this This is the atheroma occurring over here. Atheroma. So blood passes through this, so there is narrowing of the vessels occur. By the time tissue get less amount of blood supply. After some time, when there is severe formation, the blood vessels gets blocked, and this is called as atherosclerosis. So there are many complications for this, that is the coronary heart disease including myocardial ischemia, angina, chest pain, and other many problems of the atherosclerosis occurs. This is called as atherosclerosis. Hope this you will find helpful. Thank you.